In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best Old Navy promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your web browser, then go to google.com and in search bar enter Old Navy promo code. Here you see a lot of different sites that offers a promo code. You can go through that list and then open up some website. Here, as you can see, you got 28 promo codes. You can scroll down and see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first positions. For example, this coupon gives you 60% off. You can hit there at more details to get some additional information, and also you can hit at show coupon to see the coupon code. Now you can hit at that icon to copy it to clipboard, and then you can go to Old Navy's website, then buy their stuff, and once you are ready to pay money, just don't forget to enter that promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or to another site, and here just tap here at show coupon on another coupon and try to use it instead of those that doesn't work. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.